Tell me this, if you were to spend $1,000 on a new tattoo and in just a few months it looked like this, would you be happy? My guess is no, you wouldn't. You'd be highly upset. Tattoos are on our body forever, and we spend a lot of money on these things, and we want them to look as good as they possibly can. So with that said, I'm going to share with you 4 tips to instantly make your tattoos look better. And I can honestly say that the majority of people do not do any of these things. So let's just jump right into the first tip, and that is to get a tattoo touch-up. Now, I would typically save this tip for like one of the later tips, but with that said, I noticed a common thing with tattoo collectors. And that common thing is we go get our tattoos, we make sure we heal them up properly, but then don't really do anything after that. When in reality, one of the first things that you should be doing is to go get a tattoo touch-up. Now, you could be on top of the tattoo healing process, do everything properly, but all it takes is one section to heal up a little bit odd or a little bit incorrectly to throw off the whole tattoo. So with that said, just go get a touch-up. Most of the time they are free, and they will instantly make your tattoos look better for both brand new tattoos and of course the ones that are older as well. Now, tip number 2 is one of my personal favorites, and that is to shave that tattooed area. And I know this may sound weird to some people, but just hear me out. When body hair starts to grow over a tattoo, it gives it like this blurry effect and makes the tattoo appear much more dull, especially if you're somebody that grows a lot of body hair. Now, with that said, any type of body hair that grows over a new tattoo, whether it's light, dark, thick, whatever, it's gonna give it that blurry, dull effect. So, what do? Well, I used to use a razor to shave all of my tattoos, but I noticed that I was getting a lot of ingrown hairs and also a razor rash, so I ditched the razor and then started using clippers. So when using clippers to shave my tattoo, I make sure there's no guard on it, and then I just go over each one of my tattoos about once a week. Not only does it eliminate all of the hair, making my tattoos appear much brighter and more vibrant, but also on top of that, I don't have to worry about cutting them with the razor. I don't have to worry about razor bumps or any kind of ingrown hairs like we discussed earlier. Which reminds me, I should probably do this later. Now, trust me, doing this alone will breathe new life into your tattoos, and you will notice a huge difference on the way they look. And I know some guys that are watching this video right now might say,
I'm not shaving my tattoos.
But hey, don't knock it till you try it. Now, coming in at number 3 is to exfoliate that tattooed area. But whoa. Don't be too rough when doing it. So how does doing this make our tattoos look better? Well, as weird as it may sound, our skin cells, our skin is constantly dying off. When those skin cells die off, they turn gray and pretty much just lay on the top of your skin. So when you exfoliate, you're removing all of those gray, nasty, dull boys and allowing new skin cells to form. Those ugly, dead skin cells hide a lot of your tattoo's actual vibrance. So when you go and remove them, you're gonna notice your tattoo looking much more vibrant, pop, and just look a lot darker and pretty much brand new. Now, when exfoliating, you can go get like an exfoliating scrub and a tool and all that stuff, but realistically, you can use any type of soap and your nails, even though I don't have any. Now, I saved the best for last in this video. Tip number 4 is probably the most important one, and that is to moisturize and UV protect daily. This is another one of those things that a lot of tattoo collectors seem to overlook. Again, they get the tattoo, they heal it up, and then that's about it. That's all they do. But the key to making your tattoos look fresh is to apply moisturizer daily and also protect it from the sun, aka apply UV protection. Now, if you were to go and grab a moisturizer while you're watching this video and apply it to your tattoo, you will see a difference on how they look. Now, if you go and apply that and a UV protection daily, you're not only going to see a drastic change on how your tattoos look, but you're also setting them up for success of the aging process. They're just gonna look better longer. Trust me, make it a habit of whenever you go and get out the shower to apply these 2 products. Even better if you have one that does both. So with all of that said, try these tips and watch your tattoos look instantly better. So subscribe, love you, and I'll see you in the next video.